Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a clothing haul from Windsor for you. I got some really cute pieces that you can incorporate, some dressy pieces and some everyday pieces. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is this sweater. So this sweater I actually got in a size small. We'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. It is very cozy, it's very warm. This sweater is actually called the Let's Get Together turtleneck crop sweater, and it was $42.90. It is very warm, it is very cozy, it's soft, it's not scratchy, it's stretchy. Normally I wear a size medium pretty much everywhere, but this is oversized, so this is a size small, and this is what it looks like. I'm about 5'6". I weigh about 125 pounds, just for reference. So yeah, so this is the first item I want to show you guys. Looks really cute with some denim, with some boots. The next item I want to show you guys can actually be thrown on top of this if you're going out for the day and you want something to look cute. This is a shacket, obviously. This is a shacket. Again, can be worn on top of this. Look at how cute this is. It's dressed up, but it's not doing too much. So really, this can be dressed up or dressed down. The shacket, I also believe I got in a small. Let me just double check. So this shacket is called the True and Trendy Plaid Shacket. It was $59.90, and I did also get this in a small because it is a little bit oversized, as you can see. Clearly, I can wear a bulky sweater underneath it and still have room. It's nice and long. This would even look, you know what this would look really cute with? If you put some leggings on, some like little black leggings, because this color, it's got black, white, tan in it. So some like black leggings with some little booties, with the little socks scrunched up around the ankles. That would look so cute for just like a day out. It's got pockets, buttons up. It's got the button up at the wrist. So yeah, this is definitely a cute cold weather outfit for sure. Okay, so this is the next outfit. As you can see, I have on some wide leg high-waisted pants and a twist tie satin type of top. The color this is in is called Wine, and I got this in a size medium. They had this in a bunch of different colors. It has gold detail on the arms to button and unbutton it. It has a collar, and then obviously the twist tie. This is what the back looks like. Just very simple. These pants are, I got these in a medium as well. They are wide leg, as you can see. They are wide leg and they're very long. Like I said, I'm 5'6", about 5'6.5". So in my eyes, these are tall girl friendly. Now, if you're close to 6 foot, maybe not. But these pants are stretchy and they have a like crepey type of texture to them. The top itself is called the So Sleek Satin Tie Front Blouse. It was $34.90. But like I said, they had this in so many different colors. I actually have another one of these in a baby pink that I got last spring. So cute, such good quality. Definitely go get that. The pants are called Two for the Show Texture Knit Wide Leg Pants, and I paid $29.90 for these. And this is just such a cute outfit. Like, it's dressy, but it's not doing too much, so you could definitely wear this for like a girls' night out, or a dinner with your boyfriend. And really, this is just so cute. I love it. It's such good quality, you guys. If you've never shopped at Windsor before, you really need to check them out. The store reminds me, in terms of like the trendy stuff that they have, reminds me of like Fashion Nova and all those stores, but the quality is different. The quality of their products is so much better than the stuff that you get at like Fashion Nova. Like if you're just getting like a basic tee, Windsor store, it's gonna be double lined. It's gonna be that really soft knit material that's like double lined, so you can't see through it. Like that really buttery soft type material. And I just find that with everything at Windsor, and I've been shopping there for years, everything at Windsor is better quality. Every time. So yeah. Okay, so the next item I want to show you is this bodysuit. This is a bodysuit. It is a snap closure. It is a thong bottom, which I personally prefer. That way you don't have like any weird underwear lines showing. So that's a bonus. This top color is gray. I did get this in a large. I get all of my bodysuits in a large just because I feel like I have a longer torso. So if you're someone who's short-waisted, you could probably, in your size medium, you could probably get away with a medium. I just normally always go for a large because I don't want anything to be uncomfortable down in this area. So I stick with the large just to be safe. This, it's double lined. They do have this in different colors as well. This bodysuit is called Simply the Best Smooth Knit Tank Bodysuit. And this material and this cut really reminds me of Skims. Some of the Skims essentials that she has on her website. It's a beautiful color. I think I paid $29.90 for it. It's definitely worth it. Definitely quality. The front is like a crew neck and the back is the same. That's what that looks like. This is definitely an essential that you need in your closet, and you can dress it up or dress it down. Definitely go get it. Okay, so this is another outfit, and I just wanted to throw the whole look together to show you how freaking adorable this is, okay, with the tights or without the tights. I like it with the tights. I think it's really cute. The boots, however, are not from Windsor. They are from Fashion Nova. So I'm sure you can still get them from there. If you're interested, I got these recently. Anyways, so the first thing is this top. It is actually a bodysuit as well. And like I said, I normally get larges in my bodysuits. So that's what I did with this. This bodysuit is called the Classic Ribbed Knit Turtleneck Bodysuit, and it was $26.90. And it also does have a snap closure, again with like a thong type of bottom. It is very soft material. It's thin, it's lightweight, but you can see it's not see-through. Very comfortable, very cute, can go with anything. It's definitely an essential to have in your closet. Again, you can dress it up or down. Let's get to the bottoms. I am totally obsessed with these bottoms. And even this outfit would even look really cute with like some flat boots. Just this outfit is just so cute. I can't wait to get out and wear this somewhere. The bottoms are called the Iconic Style Plaid Knit Skort, and that's exactly what it is. It is a skort, meaning that there is shorts underneath. The front looks like a skirt, but the back is shorts. It is very stretchy, so there isn't like an actual zipper or clasp opening. You just kind of slide them up. Very stretchy, very comfortable. I believe this is a medium. I got this in a medium, and the skirt itself I paid $34.90 for. This is just too cute. Like, this is just too cute. You need this in your closet. If there was ever like a fall outfit, like I feel like even if you're not someone who goes places often, you always need at least like one cute outfit in your closet for backup, just in case something does come up, because I really don't do too much. Like, I just kind of go to work, I chill, I run my errands, once in a while I go out, but I don't buy a lot of like going out clothes because that's just not really my lifestyle. But this is definitely an outfit I'm going to keep ready for whatever, whenever my man decides to take me out to dinner and we're going to a nice little restaurant or brunch or dinner with the family. I mean, this is just so cute. Okay, so this is the last outfit. I'm wearing this on New Year's Eve. This is what I'm wearing on New Year's Eve. This is so cute. Whatever we go do, this is what I'm wearing. This is so adorable. So again, the boots are from Fashion Nova. I think they still have them in stock. Again, I got them recently, so I would think so. These are freaking adorable. But yeah, so on to the clothes. The top I'm wearing is, it's called the Bejeweled Me Rhinestone Fringe Top. As you can see, there's all these blingy rhinestones hanging. And that's one thing I love about Windsor. They have all kinds of rhinestone detailed tops. And baby, I am a whore for some rhinestones, okay? So I paid $39.90 for this top. It is like a sweater knit material. It will definitely keep you warm. It is a crop top, just a regular round neck. I got it in black, and that's what the back looks like. Moving on, oh, I did get this in a medium. Like I said, I get most of my stuff in a medium. Let's go on to the bottoms. So the bottoms I'm wearing are, again, a squirt, meaning they're shorts underneath. It does have a zipper closure on the back. It's called the Worth It Faux Leather Mini Skirt, and I paid $36.90 for it. It is so soft. It is a thicker material. It's soft on the inside. It's not that really cheesy, plasticky looking faux leather. It's a nice quality faux leather. It is stretchy. It does have give to it. But this is just super cute. This is a super cute outfit. I figured I could wear this on New Year's Eve whenever we go out, whatever we do. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely, if you've never checked out Windsor, definitely go on their website. And the great thing about Windsor is that they don't have a ridiculous amount of inventory like Fashion Nova does, where there's no way you'll ever be able to get through all of it. Where Windsor, it's a smaller boutique and you can definitely get through it. They sell a lot of formal dresses as well. If you decide that you don't like something, you can return it and get your money back. Whereas with like stores like Fashion Nova, you're stuck with the store credit, where Windsor is not like that. And I'm located in the city of Pittsburgh, and I know of 2 Windsor stores that we have here. So I'm not sure where all they're located in the United States, but if you have one, definitely go check them out. You will not be disappointed. They have the cutest, best quality clothing. So yeah, definitely go check them out. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.